Hey, what's up, guys? It's Bueller here, and here to do the daily stock watch list review for the last day of March, March 31st. And today I put BA, Beyond, AMD, Apple, LK, BAC, Nvidia, and Tesla. And I'm gonna start doing bigger watch lists, like I said in the previous video. And here at the beginning of the video, I want to ask y'all, comment down below your top 5 stocks that you want to buy in. This week I'll be uploading a video on the top 5 that I bought in, that I'm starting to scale in already. So please leave that comment below. So back to the levels. I'll move this over here. So first off on BA, I wanted to set some. I set on some of these stocks. I set some more passive levels, and then on others I set more aggressive, just based on what I thought was fitting for the pre-market action. So today we got more of some range trading, but some overall really good confirmations on a lot of them. You just had to be patient. Like I said though, the patient play pays. So here on BA, I wouldn't have been mad if you didn't play this at all on calls, because I'm so weary on calls right now. It's not even funny. So I've been playing puts for the most part on rejections. So definitely good to play those. On any of these 3 rejections here, you could have played and caught the move down to this level and taken profit, and then re-entered once you got a good rejection here. Or you could have just waited for the rejection to begin with from that level. It's really whatever you want. But both levels, you could play both sides. So now let's go to Beyond. Didn't even go near my break below at 65. Started low, picked up really well. And as well as setting levels, I did have one here. I just didn't mark it for everyone because this is a very important line. That's where pre-market stopped and had rejection, as well as had some jump rope over here. So good little extra line to add there. There's always some good spots. Like another one was right there, which also happened to turn into a slight flag there. Looks like a little bull flag. That's good to play. Beyond, let's see. See how important these lines are, though. All I did was add that one, and here we are having some good jump rope on this too, catching its support. So again, playing rejections, really good on that one. Beyond, AMD. AMD one direction pretty much. I was pretty easy pick up there. 47.80 all the way to 45.21. That's a huge percentage play on AMD. Definitely don't sleep on the smaller stocks. I'm going to start adding AMD, LK, and BAC here and there. Mainly LK and AMD. You won't see BAC on there every time, but I'm trying to add smaller stocks, maybe CVS sometimes here and there. But I'm trying to choose ones that you can get in and get out without having to complain, because you don't want to get into a stock and then not be able to sell it. That would suck. So here on Apple, pretty one directional for the most part. Again, waiting for that second test. You might have missed the small jump from the beginning, but you got the bigger jump. The bigger, more profitable play there. Let's go to LK. Pretty much the same thing on LK. Broke the crap out of the line. The break above kind of moved, though. I guess I didn't catch that, but see, I set this line on purpose, I think, actually, for more aggressiveness. But just to double confirm yourself, you could set that, because that is technically the high of pre-market. And then that would have been your retest, so that would have been good to note. It's even important over here still. We had BAC. I bet BAC is a void. Oh, wow. Was good for both. Both calls and puts. See, this was a good patient play. You would have gone in on momentum there. Volume increased. You saw that. And even for the break below, had a retest. Okay, so BAC did really good then. It did both below the break above and the break below, so good plays on both sides. A lot of winners on this list today. First big list in a while. I'm going to continue to do so. I did a wide range on Nvidia today. Just because it moves so much, there's no point in trying to get aggressive with it. Might as well set some levels I know will work. So 272 is my break above. 262 is the break below. I even set aggressive entries. 269.50. Which that was way over here. This was an aggressive entry if you wanted to play upward. And then an aggressive entry downwards was 264. So definitely good to play aggressive or patient, but I probably won't note that a whole lot more. But that was just because I know different traders, there's more passive guys in chats, there's more aggressive guys in chats, but we'll see. Good break above there, good clean retest. Really Could be playing both sides of a lot of these stocks on the list. They seem to be either one directional or very clean for both sides of playing the stock. So let's see on Tesla here. Oh, I also wanted to show this chart. I posted this chart with Tesla when I posted the levels. So the levels I set were 505 and 494. Oh, okay. So I did the out of the triangle with 494 was the break below, so it clearly didn't even go near that. But it bounced out of this. So as you can see here, I was telling my friend Devin and a few other people before the market opened, and Devin actually killed this stock today. Shout out to Devin. But I had a feeling it was going to bounce out of here because I had a feeling it wasn't just going to pop out of the squeeze today. Plus, market momentum's a little up, so it was good to catch this. But this was about an 80% confident bounce play in my opinion. Not 100% because there was still that chance it was going to fall towards the direction of the triangle there. But this is a good bounce play. I had a feeling it was going to bounce from there just because, it has more room in that squeeze. It could definitely. It has so much more room. It could definitely go up one more time, make a lower high, and then come back down. And it even broke out of that triangle today. So what time frame is that on? Yep. I drew that triangle before market open, and it was straight green on the 5-minute. That's what me and True Steven and Devin were laughing at all morning. It ran, let's just say from pre-market, pretty much from 500 up to 536, 537 without a red candle on the 5-minute. That's why it's nice to watch the 5-minute. This is scary to watch. You would have exited a few times if you were scared. There's a lot of scared investors out there, scared traders. 5-minute though, my boy Steven stayed in that trade the whole way up. I think Devin cut it on the bull flag at the top of that, but that was a beautiful play. Beautiful play. Beautiful sells all right here. Playing this jump, beautiful. Good play on Tesla. So you'll probably see me post Tesla a lot more. So you got that, and then bam. Even came down and tested support on the triangle. That's a good trend change. Make sure to like the video, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.